I'm Adam Anderson, driving the Megalodon Monster Jam truck, attempting the world record 8 truck jump. I'll be using my Spin Master Megalodon RC to get a little practice in before the big jump. So setting up for this jump, the biggest thing in my eyes is that I have the most run at the ramp possible to build the speed I need to clear all 8 trucks. Because if I don't, who wants to land on top of another Monster Jam truck? I sure don't. Let's try it out. Let me jump it off this massive jump. Oh, this is gonna be like a double whammy right here. That's not what we're looking for. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna clear all 8 Monster Jam trucks.